Amber Heard spoke about the defamation trial for the first time after losing to Johnny Depp earlier this month. During an interview with the Today Show, the actress doubled down on her claims that her ex-husband physically abused her during their year-long marriage and accused him of lying on the witness stand. According to an industry expert, these comments could backfire and also result in a third trial. Is the Rum Diary couple headed for another court battle, or will Depp and his legal team let this under the bridge? Let's find out. Amber Heard was conversing with NBC News' Savannah Guthrie when she called the verdict in her libel trial against Johnny Depp unfair. The actress didn't stop there and went on to insist that she would stand by every word of her testimony until the day she dies. Legal experts have every reason to believe that the actress's comments could backfire. They say this could very much result in Amber being sued again by her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Depp and Amber met on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009 and started dating a few years later. In 2015, they got married. During that time, Depp was in a long-term relationship with French actress Vanessa Paradis, while Amber Heard was dating photographer Tassia Van Ree. Following the split from their respective former partners, the two began secretly dating in 2011. Depp and Amber got engaged in 2014. The news became public when a picture emerged of the actress wearing an ornate engagement ring. They finally got married in 2015 in a very private ceremony on Depp's private island in the Bahamas. During her recent Tear It All explosive interview, which was pre-recorded in New York City and is airing in 3 parts throughout the week, the actress called the verdict in her defamation trial against Depp unfair and insisted that she is going to stand by every word of her testimony until the day she dies, less than 2 weeks after she was found guilty of defaming her ex by claiming that he abused her during their marriage. The 36-year-old doubled down on her allegations that Depp was physically violent towards her during their 1-year marriage and accused him of lying on the stand when he said that he never hit her, while speaking to Today host Savannah Guthrie. New York-based entertainment lawyer Nicole Half, who works at Romano Law, has revealed how Amber's comments could well backfire, resulting in her getting sued by the Pirates of the Caribbean star again. Yes, this interview could count as a new publication under the law, which could spur a third lawsuit, the attorney explained, when asked if Depp could sue his ex-wife for defamation over her latest interview. According to the American Constitution, an individual who repeats or republishes defamation will be subject to the same liability as to the publisher of the original defamatory material, something known as republishing. A defamatory statement is considered published when it's communicated either intentionally, with actual malice or reckless disregard, or negligently to someone other than the person being defamed. The statement must also be reasonably understood by the recipient to be false. In the same breath, the legal expert added that she isn't sure it would be smart for Depp to pursue a third trial against Amber, adding, "Heard's lawyers have already stated that she cannot pay the original judgment." After a months-long trial, the actress was ordered to pay the actor $10 million compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, although the second payment was reduced to $350,000 per Virginia law by the judge. Amber was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages out of the $100 million she was seeking in her countersuit against her ex. After the trial concluded on June 1st, Amber's lawyer Elaine Bredehoft told the Today Show that the star absolutely couldn't pay Depp the full amount of money, and yet her client is in the mood of getting into more trouble. Despite the jury ruling overwhelmingly in her ex-husband's favor in the recent trial, finding the London Fields actress guilty on 3 counts of defamation against him, the Aquaman alum refused to walk back her claims of abuse against him while speaking to the Today Show, blasting Depp as a liar and reiterated her accusations that he beat her during the marriage. "He said he never hit you. Is that a lie?" Savannah questioned during the interview, to which Amber responded bluntly, "Yes, it is." She then added, "To my dying day, I will stand by every word of my testimony." Amber also accused Depp's lawyers, Camille Vasquez and Benjamin Chu, of trying to distract the jury from the real issues during the trial, conceding that they had done a better job of that than her own legal team. She also suggested that the trial had called into question her First Amendment right to free speech, claiming that she had spoken her truth and spoken it to power, only to have ended up paying the price for that. When grilled by Savannah about audio clips that were played during the 6-week trial, which took place in Virginia, in which the 36-year-old could be heard admitting to being physically abusive towards Depp, she insisted that she only ever responded to physical violence, but that she never instigated it. "I never had to instigate it. I responded to it," she claimed. "When you're living in violence and it becomes normal, will, as I testified to, you have to adapt. The actress also insisted that the jury's decision was influenced by what she called unfair social media representation, and her ex-husband calling on paid employees and randos to testify on his behalf. There you have it. Do you think Johnny Depp should go ahead and sue Amber for her continuous defaming statements, or should he just let the justice system deal with her? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.